You actually came in your daily driver, huh? Drove all the way from... It's great to see you, bro. It's great to see you, man.
Good to see you.
Yeah.
Long time no see.
Yeah.
You guys too.
It's gonna be a great day, man.
Yeah. How you doing, Don? Good. How are you? Oh, doing okay. Good to see you guys.
Gorgeous morning, man. Have you ever been on the water in this area before?
No.
It's freaking beautiful, man. It's so gorgeous out there.
Yeah, today's perfect too, because it's been windy the last couple of weeks.
And then it's calmed, huh?
Today's super calm, man. And
Yeah.
the weather's like gonna be mid-70s. It's gonna be awesome. Yeah, that's cool.
Tons and tons of wildlife out there. You guys believe it? How you been, brother?
Pretty good.
It's good, man.
Pretty good. All right. Got Laura here. We're gonna have a good film. Hang on. Before I like which one we live in on its best one, so let's we live in it.
Hey, Tosh, can you grab this and store it in there? Just set that on something. You need this?
It's still better than like doing your own,
It's gorgeous out here in the water, man.
You're gonna be happy you filmed all this stuff, Laura, when you're like 70, 80.
Oh, yeah.
You're like, hey, you still got that footage? Let's edit it.
Yeah, definitely, man.
Yeah. I was experimenting, seeing like, hey, does this work? Maybe it didn't work. Next time I'm gonna try this.
It's just when you think you figured it out.
Yeah.
You change, you gotta learn back to square one. No matter how much you know, you're just humbled by it.
Yeah. There's days when you're like, you scope out, you're like, hey, days I'm like,
But that way right there is to Salantine River going this way towards Stockton. And then right over the windmills over there, that's Sac River. That's where they both meet right here, the converge in Antioch.
Man, I used to film a lot.
Yeah.
We fish, but it's been getting in my way of just
Yeah,
fishing, so
performance,
I-
yeah. You gotta say no, you know? It's gonna be an awesome day, guys. It's really, really muddy, huh? Yeah. Yeah.
It's not good being old, Mark.
You feel comfortable, real?
Yeah, real. Yeah. When it gets close to the boat, it's gonna run.
Alright.
Just get away from the motor.
Go to keep pull, slowly reel, pull. He's gonna run again. Slowly reel, pull. But always keep the pressure because it's barbless. But you keep pressure, the hook's gonna pop out.
Okay.
I think this is gonna be a while for Moua because he's I knew he's gonna say that. Totally. If Moua's gonna be like, my arms hurt.
My arm's feeling
Pressure.
Does it feel
basically
different
trying
from...
to tire him out.
Yeah,
too, right?
tire him out.
Dang.
You try to tire him out, he's gonna try to tire you out.
Yeah.
Skillnaden till Xiong. Just keep the pressure on it, yeah. Keep. Once you can, just start reeling.
Alright.
Put my tie from this thing off.
Yeah, get a
Wow.
frontal.
ตอนนี้เดี๋ยวอีกตัวนะจ๊ะ30-40 minutes เลยอ่ะยิ่ง
干嘛钓一只猛了？背吧
Especially that
背给
reel.
到提的去
You're
啊！
not used to that reel, so.
干嘛一只猛了？
Oh, there he is.
No lunch,
Oh, dude,
Oh,
that's
good
a-
size,
that's a
good size. Good
That's a
size.
good size, Moua.
Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, baby. Oh, motor.
It's okay. Just keep it.
Woo. Woo. Dang, good size one. Tới bộ gì à?
Slowly reel when you can.
Alright.
How do you think the performance of your students doing?
We'll see. We'll find out in 2 more minutes. His arm doesn't look like it's gonna hold up, but
I don't think so.
oh, look, right there, man.
Whoa.
That shot.
Ôi trời, cũng chênh phờ à? Cho tỏ.
Yep. That's the
I
fight.
think my arm is gonna give way before the fish gives way.
You get probably do 3 more runs like that, Moua.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
You're in for the fight, man. Really, though, Xianati, Choli, Chikionati.
Man, these guys are strong.
All right.
Oh, there he is.
Oh, let's see how big it is.
Ooh.
Những lò, Julie có mấy cái lò nào?
Alright. Whoa! Yes.
Yellow. Okay, just let him run.
Now he's going.
Yeah, he's mad.
Just realized he got hurt. You see
Yeah.
the reel? You see the reel?
Yep.
He's mad.
Funny.
Here, Lue. Okay, I'm gonna help more.
Yeah, what you
Yeah.
do?
Ủa, chị thay nè. Tôi thay là cá
You
tuổi
guys are all in the frame, so it is like there's nowhere else to film.
Ủa, thì có mặt tía mà.
Yeah.
Mặt tía
Okay,
mà.
yeah.
Oh,
plus
dude,
you
get a
work
shot of
on
that.
it.
It's coming.
That's a big one.
Okay, just hold him steady.
That's a
Just
big
hold the
one.
net steady. Hold the rod.
Oh man, this guy's not a very good net boy.
Yeah.
I'm afraid.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Just working back. Slow before you working back.
Hold on. We need to get a close up of Moua.
Wow.
Okay, Kachi, hold on. Yep. Yeah, use that hand to help you.
About 54. About 54 to 56.
Tired, but he's not willing to come in.
It's the current too.
Yeah.
Yeah, the current too. Current's
Not yet.
你ก็ทุกเรือหลอกไปน้อย
Okay.
Yeah, scoop over here. Yeah, right there.
Don't go too far.
Just right, yeah, right there is good. Yeah. Ooh,
okay, it's
you
okay.
gotta get the tail.
Yeah. That's why I purposely don't want to lock him up because I don't want him.
Look. Oh. Oh, there you go. Yes.
Whoa, fat mama.
Good job.
Oh, he's shorter than we thought. He's fat.
All right.
Woo.
Hey, good job.
Good job, Moua. Good job. Congratulations.
Yeah,
man.
all right. You did it, man. You did it. All right, here. Let me put this.
This?
Yeah. Let's move the net.
From head to tail, right?
Okay.
Hold on, Moua. Let's straighten him up.
Right here?
Nope, right here.
He's shorter.
Check.
51.
51.
Whoa, 51. That's awesome, man.
Perfect.
Man, we could have got some money. How come you didn't come on Super Bowl Sunday?
Wow. Okay, Moua, now you gotta hold it up for picture. See?
Oh. You guys gonna hook out already?
Barbara's going to YouTube.
Yeah.
Sure.
ก็งานนะงานในห้องเดียวนะ Your feet part ก็งานนะก็สักก็ล่อซอยก็ต้องถูกสวิงก็ใส่ไปเนาะ
Mike's a professional poser.
So grab it, yeah.
Oh, under the gill.
Under the gill.
See this? Come on, sit there under here.
Oh,
You just hold it up.
Just lift it
Use
up.
your knees, okay? Don't use your back.
Right.
Otherwise, we have two crooked men on the boat.
Yeah. Like this, huh?
Yep, just get your hands under there. Okay, close to
Whoa,
your body.
damn.
Hey, yeah.
Heavy.
Here, let me get out of the way.
Yeah.
Taking a picture.
Wow.
I guess me.
Okay, hold it up.
Good job, man.
The other way.
This way?
Your hand. Just rotate your hand.
Like this?
Yeah. Okay. Like the fish is facing you, like you guys having a face off. Okay.
Come on, bruh. Yeah. Come on, fight me. Come on.
Okay.
Yeah.
There, yeah, can you hold it like that?
There you go.
Now
Good.
cradle it like this.
Hey, nhà thì tiền xưa rồi.
Oh, we just messed with you.
Okay, almost there.
Like, yeah.
All right.
Go 啊，蒙起，蒙起，你上来了。